Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we have a steam boiler with a pressure of 93 kilogram force per centimeter squared. We want to convert this into PSI, kPa, and atmospheric pressure. Also, we want it in bars. There is no free body diagram, so we can skip step 1. Step 2, list all the given values and the unknown. So the given is 93 kilogram force per centimeter squared, and we want to find pressure in various units. That's the unknown. So step 3, we're just going to do all the conversions in one go. So for atmospheric pressure, we have 93 kilogram force per centimeter squared. Then we're going to multiply by the conversion factor. So 1 atm is equal to 1.03323 kilogram force per centimeter squared. So 93 divided by that number, and you'll cancel out the units. So we will get 90.01 atm, or atmospheres. For PSI, so now we're moving into the imperial or US customary units. So we do the conversion, same as before, get it into atmosphere, and then we multiply by 14.696 psi per 1 atmosphere. That will give us 1,322.77 psi, pounds per square inch. Next, we jump back to metric, so now it's kPa, kilopascals. So you do your usual conversion to atmosphere, and then you multiply your kPa, so 1 atmosphere is equal to 101.325 kPa. So that will give you 9,120.16 kPa. Finally, we got bars. So you do your usual, convert it into atmospheres, and then 1 atmosphere is equal to 1.01325 kPa. So basically 1 bar is 10, or you could say that 101 divided by 10 is 1 bar, and by doing so we will get 912.016 kPa, which is actually bars. Apologies, that is a typo. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes, as you just saw. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using the snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, you can follow the instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. So first of all, click on your icon. So this is either in your taskbar. If it's not there, go into your Windows search, type in snipping tool, then click on the icon or the app. Once you have it open, click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. From there, you click on the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, then in YouTube, hit the replay button, let the video finish, then hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends. Because this is a made up question, they probably won't be able to find it. If you found a mistake, or if you got questions or comments, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.